Okay, so now that the manifold's out, I'm going to take out my entire exhaust system and we'll go from there. And when you're under the car, you always want to make sure you have safety goggles on because there's always tons of crap that falls down in your eyes. Okay, so under the car, once you have disconnected the oxygen sensors, there's one hanging, it just goes to the front exhaust pipe. There's the other one hanging, it goes right behind the catalytic converter. Then you can disconnect the hangers, such as that one that has that little thing right there. And there's some in the back next to the muffler as well. And you just have to disconnect those and drop out the exhaust system. Is right there. Muffler, pipe, center pipe, catalytic converter, and front exhaust pipe.